The journey of recycling starts here, with this overwhelming cascade of plastic.
Covered in thick mud and debris, these plastics are headed for the steam wash. This is where the intense cleaning process truly begins.
The technology here maximizes efficiency, diverting materials that once went to waste.
The rotary trommel spins relentlessly, separating materials at high speed. This ensures only the highest quality plastics move on to the next stage of recycling.
Blasted with surgical precision, the intense water pressure strips away years of buildup in seconds.
Tumbling violently, these bottles are scrubbed clean. The process is loud, fast, and absolutely essential for high-quality recycling. This is where the transformation happens. Our advanced washing lines use powerful jets to purify the plastic, preparing it for its next life.
Here, the recycled glass undergoes intense thermal shocking. High-pressure steam hits the bottles, loosening the adhesives instantly.
The massive steel teeth tear through thousands of pounds of plastic every day. It is instantly reduced to flakes, ready for reuse. Change this script into a natural American English native voice, short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. This is the raw power of the industrial shredder. Watch as it tears through hundreds of pounds of plastic every hour, reducing it to mere flakes in seconds. This heavy, wet slurry of white and blue flakes represents the raw output, cascading rapidly into the bin before moving on to the wash cycle. This is where the transformation begins. The aggressive chewing of the blades turns raw material into reusable flakes.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice, short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
Submerged in the tank, the steel agitator blade whips the plastic into a frenzy, scrubbing off dirt and glue until the clean flakes overflow.
Sucked deep into the vortex, these materials undergo the most intensive cleaning process yet.
Here, the heavy slurry pours onto the vibrating mesh. The innovative system rapidly drains the wash water, leaving the flakes clean and ready for the next stage.
The wet flakes slide down a clean metal chute, bouncing across a vibrating screen. A thick stream of sparkling clean flakes.
Here we see the purification stage. The flakes are bounced and sorted, ensuring maximum quality before they are remelted and reformed.
The flakes undergo a final, violent churning. A high-pressure curtain of water guarantees sterilization.
Water is rapidly introduced, immediately followed by the intense acceleration of the drum. Centrifugal force presses the material dry before the auger engages to clear the chamber. Observe the massive, fast-moving flow of wet flakes aggressively sliding down this wide metal chute, eventually tumbling over the spinning steel roller.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice, short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
The plastic chips cascade onto the high-speed conveyor, moving swiftly toward the thermal drying stage. This ensures every flake is perfectly prepared for the next phase. Transferred from the metal belt, the immaculately clean flakes move quickly. Next stop, the drying system, perfectly prepared for recycling. The flakes hit the thermal drying tunnel. The vibrating mesh and intense heat create that critical billowing steam, ensuring perfect dryness every time.
To achieve bone-dry consistency, these flakes undergo intense vibration and heat, evaporating residual moisture in a storm of steam. Change this script into a natural American English native voice, short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
The immense volume of pure, dry plastic flakes pours like a heavy waterfall off the conveyor and directly into the mouth of the extruder hopper. As the dry flakes cascade down, they are met by intense heat. The extruder rapidly melts the material, turning the colossal steel auger rotates relentlessly, forcing the plastic flakes deep inside. Here, intense heat transforms the raw material into molten polymer. Subjected to extreme heat and pressure, the plastic flakes rapidly melt inside the glowing barrel. The viscous, molten material is then...
Behold the raw material of our modern world. Superheated, this plastic flows like magma.
This is where the process begins. The molten plastic, heated to extreme temperatures, flows rapidly into the machines. The die violently ejects the blindingly hot plastic. A massive shower of electrical sparks accompanies the extrusion. The polymer is superheated and forced through the multi-hole die. It's immediately stretched taut, beginning the cooling process that locks in its strength. The thick strands begin to stretch. The molten plastic is forced down through hundreds of tiny holes in the die, creating
The moment the superheated fibers meet the cryogenic roller, the transformation is instantaneous. Stretched and cooled,
A massive spinneret extrudes molten fibers, instantly cooled by high-pressure steam before being drawn down into a thick, continuous strand.
extruded at extreme temperatures. These fibers rapidly transition. Shifted incredibly tight, the massive bundle is blasted by superheated steam, stretching the fibers for maximum strength and durability.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
This is where the magic happens. Through our patented crimping process, these delicate fibers are transformed into
This is where the magic happens. High-pressure steam blasts the thick fibers, permanently locking in the shape and creating that ultra-smooth finish.
watch as the fabric is pulled through the pinch point. Squeezed thin under immense pressure, it emerges as a perfectly uniform sheet.
The finished fabric races over the guide rollers at high speed. It winds tightly around the core, rapidly building into the massive rolls you see here. At peak velocity, this massive spindle processes miles of textile every hour.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
Inside the massive industrial loom, steel heddles raise and lower thousands of white threads at incredible velocity.
The fabric races across the polished steel, moving at incredible speeds toward the final winding stage. This is the culmination of precision engineering.
Moving at incredible speed along the production line, the finished textile is a colossal achievement in recycling. This massive roll, hundreds of layers thick, is ready to be
The completed rolls, fresh from the winder, are swiftly shrink-wrapped in high-gloss plastic, then aligned precisely on wooden pallets, ready for distribution across the globe. The heavy steel rollers engage, moving these massive shrink-wrapped rolls of recycled fabric. They glide smoothly down the conveyor. Look at that speed. The machine spins the load, rapidly encasing this towering stack in tight, glossy layers, securing it instantly.
This is the future of textiles. We take what was discarded and create perfection.
The wrapping is finished, and the robotic arm immediately secures the heavy load. It's all part of the seamless efficiency of this automated logistics floor. This is the future of recycling. We took a mountain of textile waste and transformed it.
A colossal robotic arm swoops down, gripping the fabric roll with heavy steel claws. It effortlessly lifts and